Hey, welcome to Wrench into Race. It is the start of a new race season, and as you can see by the white stuff, it's a little tough to race in the snow. But today we're going to attempt to do some work on the GTI, which is over here. We're going to do some rewiring and basically just make the wiring more robust. But to do that, we have to go fetch some black and yellow storage bins from the woods where they are kept in the winter. Say hi, John.
Hi, John.
And we're gonna start putting rad together. We're gonna do some new electronic stuff. We're gonna get rid of that dashboard panel, put this switch panel on, put a new relay board. So we have a fuel relay and whatever else we can do to make rad super reliable. We're gonna maybe clean up those axles, those spare axles we bought for 30 bucks. And then we have a bunch of parts here that we're gonna put on the car and hopefully make it awesome.
Should we tell them about the surprise trailer for 2022?
We should tell them later about the trailer for 2022.
2022 is gonna be a great year. There's a new pit bike.
We have a pit bike? Oh, wow, look at that. And all right, we'll see you soon. All right, so here's the yellow and black bin storage facility. We got a couple of key pieces, key bins. Now we just have to go up this hill.
It's unwalkable.
Yeah, we can't walk it, so hopefully snow tires plus weight plus you will make it happen.
I am the weight.
You are the walrus.
Traction on.
Traction control off.
Stability control.
Going for the high side here.
I've never been more impressed.
I mean,
it should be
like,
an Audi commercial.
This is an Audi commercial. You didn't know that?
That drift. Drift, ye dog.
You would have probably slid off the fucking road there for sure.
It's just so top
With those
heavy.
fucking tires you have.
So top heavy.
Those tires you have are the problem. Whoa. Do we need to make any more runs down the hill? Well, those are a few of the gauges we just took out of this. So this is the start of the rewiring. We have to go through everything and sort of label what's what. There's several like power wires coming off of this thing. This was like the main 12-volt power coming from the kill switch into the fuse panel that got its 12-volt power. And as I pulled it apart, this just came right out. So obviously this crimp was not on too tight. So this is all getting replaced. All of this shit hanging down here. And we'll keep some of these wires and plug them into the new harness. And then we'll replace some of these wires to give certain things power, like the stuff on the gauges and stuff. I'm gonna do some checks with this. On the wiper switch, we have a 3-position wiper. We should have a high, low, and an off setting for the wiper, but I'm not sure we do. This made it 2 years, and then we started having issues, so we started unplugging things, and hopefully we'll plug everything in correctly and get everything right. We started tearing apart the wires and going through everything we need that we think we're gonna have to, swap out and replace for this year. One of the things is the air filter. So this is the inside part, pretty filthy, and it looks like we're just gonna buy another one. I think I'm gonna make Cooper save this because I'm gonna try and keep it as a spare because I like spares. We're gonna keep plugging away, but right now rad is pretty taken apart. That's for the air filter. We've got a lot of the wiring kind of undone. And then in the back, we're gonna run a new power wire for the fuel pump. So we cut the old one and we're just gonna have one wiring loom coming to the back, and then we'll use this one that's going right to the brake lights, go inside of that for the fuel pump and the fuel level sender wire as well. We're gonna rebuild these axles too, these spare axles we got. So we'll get 2 new ends, and then we'll clean out the back side, the inboard side, and then put all new boots on it and have 2 spares for both cars, I think. But at least we got 2 spares for the GTI. Okay, that's it. See ya.